Hi guys! In today's video, I am showing you how to enable two-factor authentications on Roblox. This is a simple task, and by using this method, you can make your Roblox account more secure. And without your permission, even someone knows the password of your account. Still, he will not access your Roblox account. So let's begin it. Open your Roblox application. Once it will be opens, take a look on the bottom right. You can find the option More, just tap on it. And from these options, scroll down and tap on this option Settings. After tapping on the option Settings, it will expand more options. And from these options, tap on the second option Security. And in Security, you can find the option to step verification. By enabling two steps verification, you can make your account more secure. Like I said before, even someone knows the password and email of your account. Still, without your permission, he cannot get access. So there are 3 ways by which you can enable 2 steps verification on Roblox. The first one is the Authenticator app, and you can read the description. Download an app on your phone that generates unique security code. Suggested apps include Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, and Twilio Authy. For enabling Authenticator Thorough app, you have to open the Google Play Store. In the Google Play Store, you can write Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator, and also Twilio Authy. Once you will download this application, you have to open that, and from here, you have to enable this. Once you will enable this, go to that app, then that will suggest a code. Then you have to write that code in this application, and this process is very secure. You can also read this, very secure. The second one through email. You can also enable two-factor authentications by your email. If I tap on this option, enable one-time code has been sent to your registered email. Then Roblox will send a verification code on that email, which I have entered in my Roblox account. And you have to write that 6-digit code. Once you will write that, this option will be changed to OK or to someone else, and tap on it, and enable two-factor authentication on Roblox. Now let's close it. Third one is hardware security. It's also very secure, supported on web browsers, iPhone, and iPad. If you want to enable it, then you need to open the web browser. Then you can enable this feature. So these were the ways by which you can make your account more secure and also can turn on two-factor authentication.